Hi everyone, we are back with another video on how to start an assessment in Schoology. Now most likely your teachers are going to create tests or maybe some quizzes using Schoology. In order to access those, what you have to do is go ahead and open up a course. And the assessment icon looks like a puzzle piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that assessment. And at this point I'm going to see on my screen it's going to say, okay, I've already taken this one twice. Okay. Now, what I can do is hit resume right here because it says that I have not finished that one. I'm going to hit resume, and it's going to take me into the assessment tool. Now, on the right side of your assessment, you'll notice there is a timer. So this test is a 10-minute max testing time. I have spent 5 minutes in there. I can also see that I can actually flag certain questions. I have a calculator and I also have a ruler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm going to answer the question and I'm going to hit next. So I'm going to continue doing this until I finish this. So I'm just going to start hitting buttons now. All right. No, actually, no, that one. It's not that one. True. I'm going to continue doing this. What government policy restricts? That is a protectionism. What is a tariff? That's a tax. Today, United States economy could best be described as a market. How should contractionary monetary... Okay, I'm just going to continue touching buttons now at this point. Okay, I can now review and I can hit submit. And yes, so submitting is in progress. Now, your teachers will set up whether or not you can view your grade at the end, whether or not that's true. But here's the thing that to keep in mind. After you submit an assessment, there's about a 2 to 3 minute grading period. So it's going to say it's pending, and then it's not going to grade until 2 to 3 minutes. So after that pending time is up, you'll see your grade, whether or not your teacher has allowed you to see it. And so your teachers are going to set them up in different ways. So maybe you'll have 3 opportunities to do it, and then maybe your highest one will count. Or maybe you'll just have 1 opportunity, and that's all you'll have. So that's up to the teacher, but that's going to be how you take an exam and take a test. I hope this was helpful. Have a great